Hi guys, in today's video guys, I wonder what happened to my car. Because when I started to start my car, the water from the reservoir of my car will blow. When I start the car, the water will blow from the reserve and the water from the radiator will goes up. I don't know what happened to my car. It started when I changed the timing of my car. I don't know if the timing of my car is correct, but I changed it because I put a rubber inside the distributor. Because the distributor has been leaked the oil coming from the engine. So that's why I opened the distributor. I put the rubber and put it back. But I forgot what the timing is. That's why I adjusted the timing. I turned the distributor, and the timing maybe is bad. That's why when I start the car, the water from the reserve and the water from the radiator will blows up. I will show you the actual why my car is blow up the water coming from the reserve and the radiator. So guys, I changed the 4 spark plug already. All of the spark plug are new. So that's why it is I thought my car will start because I put a new spark plug. But I don't know what happened. As I've said already, the water is blown up. Let's find out and see what happened to my engine when I start my car. Let's go. This is the reservoir of my Nissan Sentra V12. So as I said earlier, when I start the car, when I start, the water goes up here. It blows everywhere. So I will show you what happened when I start the car. And there is the radiator cap, and the water here goes down. It flows when I started to start the car. So I will show you uh, the close-up video so that you will see clearly what happened to my car. I don't know what happened to this car. We'll put the battery because I take out the negative terminal of the battery, so I will put it back and start the car and see what happened to this radiator. Tingnan natin guys yung ito guys. So, tingnan natin guys kung anong mangyayari kung inon ko na yung sasakyan. So ito guys, so yan. Okay. So guys, much better if I open this radiator cap. Reserve cap. Open ko na lang guys yung reserve cap guys para makita natin talaga kung lalabas dito yung tubig. Pag nag-start na yung sasakyan, it blow up. Oh, did you see? Oh, basa. Tumalon yung tubig. So guys, nakita nyo dito guys. So did you see it that the water is blows up from here? The radiator, the reserve water is blown up from here. Nakita nyo ba? O ito guys, so basa oh. So, yun yung problema ko. That's my problem. But what happened to my car? Why? Bakit ganito? What happened to my car? Why? When I start the car, the water from the reserve will blows up. Ay, naku. Put it back. You know guys, this for spark plug is all new. I changed this new spark plug. This is all new and so ayun na guys. Confirm na guys na kapag in-start ko na yung sasakyan guys, when doon na talaga lumalabas yung tubig sa reservoir niya. Pati dun sa radiator cap guys, meron ding overflow ng water dun. The water will overflow from the radiator cap. So bakit nangyari yun? Why is it that happen? Because I changed my cylinder gasket 6 months ago. The cylinder gasket is new. Maybe it's 6 months ago. And valve seal, bago din. It's new. The valve seal is new. And because piston ring is new also. So, bakit ganun ang nangyari guys? Na kapag inon ko na yung umaapaw yung tubig sa radiator cap at sa radiator reservoir, water reservoir o water tank niya. Hindi ko maintindihan guys kung bakit ganun ang nangyayari. Dahil nga ba sa luma na to, sabi nung tiningnan kasi itong auto, ang lumang Nissan Sentra B12, in-adjust ko kasi yung timing. Sabi daw, ang timing daw ay hindi daw improper yung timing. Kumbaga naka-advance siguro yung timing. Masyado ko nung advance yung timing. So kapag bang yung timing ng sasakyan, ganun bang mangyayari? Hinahanap ko pa guys yung pa ako ng mekaniko na maganda talaga kung paano nga ba aayusin ng ganito. Sabi ng kausap ko, kailangan na daw ng top overhaul. So hinanap ko pa yung mekaniko. Mag-usap pa kami ng mekaniko kung ano nga ba yung let's talk about it. If the solution will be top overhaul. And maybe, I don't know kasi hindi naman ako mekaniko. Nag-uun lang naman ako ng luma kong sasakyan and ganun ang nangyari. So, malaking gastusan guys. Kasi alam nyo naman guys, kapag bumili ka ng pyesa guys, sa mga auto shop, it's overpriced. Overpriced guys eh. Kapag bumili ka kasi guys, ino-overpriced ng mga nagtitinda o yung mga trabahante nila. The price will goes up if you buy from the auto shop. Ganun dito eh. Ganun ang kalakaran dito. Pag bumili ka ng pyesa, if visa is maybe 2,000, sasabihin nila sa iyo, sir, this is 2,500. Ganun, nag-overprice sila kasi yung may-ari wala din namang paki basta lang makabenta. Kung ano yung suggested price, pag sinabi sa iyo ng nagbibinta doon, tauhan nila, papatungan nila. So ganun ang mangyayari. Kaya mapapamahal ka talaga sa pag bumili ka ng pyesa sa auto shop. Tsambahan mo na lang guys kung mayroong mga auto shop na hindi nag-overprice. Kasi mayroon din naman, hindi naman lahat. So sa tingin nyo guys, ano yung problema ko guys dun sa sasakyan ko na umaapaw yung tubig kapag nag-on ako, nag-start ako ng sasakyan. Pero guys, bago din naman yung starter. Cylinder gasket na ba yung sira? O paki-comment na lang guys sa mga marunong dyan. Sa ganun, magkaroon naman ako ng idea. At saka hindi naman ako gagastos ng malaki kasi nga wala din naman akong panggastos. Okay? So yun na lang guys. Saka mag-upload ako ng next na video kapag napagawa ko na to. O kaya magbibideo ako habang ginagawa. So abangan nyo na lang guys. My next video. pinaayos ko na yung sasakyan. So, kapag hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka sa channel ko. At pwede ka mag-like, mag-comment kung ano yung pakiramdam mo, yung palagay mo nangyari sa sasakyan. You can comment it if you think what is happening to my old car. So, hanggang dito na lang and thank you.